Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add background color in Photopea. So before starting, you will have to make sure that your canvas is the correct size for the final output. So yeah, first you will have to create a new layer for your background, or you can just click your existing layer here. So what you will have to do is basically choose from your backend. You can either do the shortcut, which is control or shift plus G, or you can also just click this color picker right here. And what you will have to do is just choose color from this colors right here. So for example, I would want red for my background, so I will just have to set it to red and then click OK, and then you will just have to drag your pointer to your screen, and then that's it. And I really hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.